Hi folks, it's Colin here again from Saltmarine. Here's a super car to show you today. This one's 2020. It's the Audi E-Tron 50 S Line Quattro, finished in Navarra Blue with just 20,500 miles. Stunning car. It's the comfort and sound pack on this one as well. Has the 21-inch brand new alloy wheels and tyres. You'll not see another one like this anywhere. Has the LED lights, LED running lights, front fog lights, LED rear lights as well. Full heated leather. Proper S line, not the Technic model. Privacy glass at the rear, park assist camera as well. Rear spoiler, you can see the LED lights there at the back of the car as well. But just look how that car looks. Massive saving. Now's the time to buy one of these EVs because super value. Electric tailgate. Have a look for a family vehicle at the room you've got there. Absolutely massive amount of luggage area. Still has the plastic protector there on, which hasn't been taken off from the car was new. Split folding seats if you do need a bit of extra room. Retractable blind as well. Bodywork on the car is absolutely exceptional. Navarra Blue, one of the best colours in it. You can see that LED lighting as well here and on the sill protectors. And the leather with the silver stitching in the S Line model, it's all perfect. Centre armrest there. And the controls for the rear as well, as you can see here too. Control the heating system there as well. Factory mats in the car from new as well. Electric seats with the S Line Motif. So just 20,500 miles on this. Has the centre armrest, obviously, the latest touchscreen information centre there, the digital dash as well, the gloss black and the satin finish here as well, and the sill illuminated LED sill protectors, leather trim and the LED lighting here as well. All along the front of the car here too. Absolutely and utterly spotless. Let's have a look inside then. So inside then you have the 4 electric windows, electric heated and power folding door mirrors, the memory seat in the driver's side there as well, automatic lights of course as well. Heated seats, this is your climate control, so you can have one side warm, one side cold. You have Audi Drive Select, of course, as well, which will give you your different driving mode options there as well, which is good to have that as well. I'll just show you that again actually. So you can see the different driving modes that you have there as well. All your digital radio channels, Bluetooth for your telephone, factory satellite navigation, and does everything there that you could possibly want it to do. So you can go into all of those various settings just by touching them, all your digital maintenance and so forth there as well. And there it is, all very easy to use, as you can see there. Down here then is your cruise control. This one here, so you've automatic lights, but also you have automatic dipping headlights as well. You can change the setup here on the digital dash, as you can see. You can get your nav up there if you want to as well. Down here then you have your voice activated Bluetooth, volume controls for the stereo. You can use the paddle shift here to change gear as well. and that is your digital dash display there as well. Absolutely brilliant view there from the camera with a bird's eye view as well. Really, really good clear vision there as well. But all along the interior of the car, as you can see there, is absolutely as it left the factory. Absolutely spotless. So, there it is folks, it's July 2020. It's the Audi E-Tron, it's the S Line, it's the 50 Quattro, all-wheel drive, 313 horsepower, so plenty of performance there as well. Finished in Navarra Blue with just 20,500 miles. Has the 21-inch brand new alloy wheels on the car as well. Absolutely stunning looking car. It's here now in Saltmarine. Hopefully you know where we are. We're just 20 minutes from Sprucefield there at junction 14 on the M1 motorway. I'm Colin, and my colleagues Mark and Chris will be delighted to show you the car, and we look forward to seeing you.